Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Versa key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any new ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This process requires you to be inside your car, ready to interact with the ignition and door locks. Having everything prepared beforehand will make the steps much smoother and quicker for you. To begin, sit in your Nissan Versa with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second window. Your hazard lights will flash twice, indicating that the vehicle has entered programming mode. Next, turn the ignition to the ACC position, then immediately turn it back to OFF. This sequence prepares the system for key fob registration. Now, with the system in programming mode, take your first key fob. Press any button on it once within 5 seconds. You should see the hazard lights flash a single time, confirming that this key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, including any existing ones you want to keep active, repeat this exact step for each one. This ensures all your fobs are recognized by the vehicle. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the on position, then remove the key. Now, it's crucial to test every single key fob you just programmed to ensure they all lock, unlock, and operate as expected. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a resource that truly offers a fresh perspective on managing your money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.